builders of communication, the modern-day scribes and craftsmen. Communication is not only about words spoken or written, but also about systems and processes that facilitate the efficient and effective transmission of information. In this chapter, we explore the indispensable role of those individuals who stand at the intersection of people and systems, the unsung heroes of organizational communication. Much like the scribes of old who meticulously transcribed every detail of the law, or the craftsmen who built with precision and creativity, there are individuals in every organization gifted with the ability to see and bridge communication gaps. They understand the nuance of interdepartmental conversation, the undercurrents that ripple beneath the surface of team discussions, and the often unnoticed fractures that separate elements within the same department. 1. Systems and processes. These individuals perceive systems as living entities, prone to growth, decline, and change. They possess an uncanny ability to see where links or systems can be installed to ensure the seamlessness of business transactions. They are deliberate in their pursuit of process improvement, forever seeking the hidden cracks that, if left unchecked, could fracture the organization's effectiveness. 2. Celebrating the builders. Often their work goes unseen, their contributions unacknowledged, but without them an organization would be like a machine without lubrication, grinding painfully towards inevitable breakdown. They deserve to be celebrated and recognized for their invaluable contributions. They may not work with bricks and mortar, but they construct resources and tools that drive an organization's goals. 3. Bridging gaps. Their insight is most apparent when a call gets missed or an appointment overlooked. They are the ones who take a step back, assess the situation, and creatively implement a solution to reduce redundancy and improve efficiency. Their solutions may introduce new tools, or they might uncover fresh ways to utilize existing resources. 4. Including everyone. All too often, the voices of frontline workers go unheard, their insights lost in the hierarchy of leadership. Our modern scribes and craftsmen understand the importance of hearing these voices. They implement systems like trouble tickets or issue logs to ensure that the wisdom and experience of all employees contribute to planning and decision-making processes. As we continue our exploration of D.E.E.P flow, let's take time to recognize and value these builders of communication, our modern scribes and craftsmen. It is their hard work that turns the gears of progress and keeps organizations moving forward. They show us that successful communication is not just about speaking and listening, but also about creating systems that facilitate the seamless flow of ideas and information. They are indeed the custodians of deep flow within the organizational context.